All right, good morning, class. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'm going to be going over the cardiovascular endurance review sheet. So what you're going to be doing in this worksheet is first, you're going to be defining endurance. What exactly is endurance? What does that mean? And you can also give me an example of endurance. Moving on, you're going to describe two exercises that require endurance. So one example of that would be playing a soccer game. You're going to need endurance to play an entire soccer game. So that is one exercise that you could put down. But those are, I want two exercise examples. Do not use the soccer one that I just gave you. Okay. Then I want you to list two aerobic activities. Then you're going to list two anaerobic activities. And we will have already went over this in class, as well as I attached a video going over cardiovascular endurance as well. And then lastly, I want you to list three benefits of cardiovascular endurance. So one would be a reduction in cholesterol, right? There is about 20 other benefits. I want you just to list three. And again, guys, if you have any questions on this assignment, feel free to email me at jonathan.king@kavodcharter.org. Have a great day.